Today we're making a no-bake tiramisu semifreddo with toasted hazelnuts. It serves 8 people, and the prep takes 25 minutes active plus 6 hours to freeze. Let's make it creamy and dreamy Italian style. First, let's check the ingredients. 2 cups of cold heavy cream. This will whip into soft peaks for a silky semifreddo base. 8 ounces of cold mascarpone cheese. It brings authentic tiramisu richness. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. This sweetens and stabilizes the freeze. 1/2 cup of strong espresso, cooled. For dipping the savoiardi, 2 tablespoons of Marsala wine. Classic tiramisu aroma, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It rounds out the flavor. 1/8 teaspoon of fine salt. Just a tiny balance for sweetness. 12 savoiardi ladyfingers. We'll break and dip them briefly. 1/2 cup of hazelnuts. We'll toast and chop them for crunch. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. For that tiramisu finish. 1/4 cup of dark chocolate shavings. A final chocolatey touch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line a loaf pan with plastic wrap, leaving plenty of overhang on all sides so you can lift the semifreddo out later. Toast 1/2 cup of hazelnuts in a dry skillet over medium heat, stirring for 4 to 6 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. Cool completely, then chop them. In a shallow dish, mix 1/2 cup of cooled espresso with 2 tablespoons of Marsala wine and set it aside for dipping. Whip 2 cups of cold heavy cream in a chilled bowl until soft peaks form, about 2 to 3 minutes with a hand mixer. In another bowl, whisk 8 ounces of mascarpone until smooth. Add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8 teaspoon of fine salt, whisking until silky. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture in 2 additions until it's smooth with no streaks. Break 12 savoiardi into bite-sized pieces so they layer neatly. Dip half of the savoiardi pieces into the espresso mixture for just 1 to 2 seconds each. Then arrange them in an even layer in the lined pan. Spread half of the cream mixture over the soaked savoiardi and smooth the top. Sprinkle half of the toasted, chopped hazelnuts evenly over the cream layer. Dip the remaining savoiardi for 1 to 2 seconds each and layer them over the hazelnuts. Spread the remaining cream over the top and gently tap the pan to settle the layers. Cover the surface with plastic wrap and freeze until firm at least 6 hours or overnight. Unmold the semifreddo by lifting with the plastic overhang. Peel off the wrap and set it on a chilled platter. Dust the top evenly with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, then sprinkle the remaining toasted hazelnuts and 1/4 cup of dark chocolate shavings. Let it rest at room temperature for about 10 minutes. Slice with a warm knife and serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this no-bake tiramisu semifreddo, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.